Hi beauties, this is Roshni. Welcome back to my new another episode. Today's video is very attractive. Yes, today I'll share with you all how to prepare coconut milk soap. It's easy to make. Today for making coconut milk soap, I have taken just 3 ingredients. It's available in supermarket or online. Each and everybody knows coconut milk is very much beneficial for our skin health and hair. It lightens any types of dark spot, treat fine lines and wrinkles, treat melasma. It's moisturize the skin. Believe me, it's very much beneficial for our skin. So let's start, and if you have a first time, most welcome, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon because never miss out any other video. Don't forget like and share, and honest request to you all, please share it with your friends and also watch the video till then. So let's start how I have prepared. For making coconut milk soap, I have taken a coconut. Now I will cut them into pieces. Series, but say I have used half coconut. You can use a full coconut, but if you wish. Now I will mix the pieces in the mixer grinder and extract its milk. I'll stain it with a thin piece of cloth so that the particles does not get mixed with the juice. See this, half bowl of juice in extracted. For making homemade soap, it's enough. And next I have taken soap base, which is used for the making of the soap. Now I will cut them into the small pieces, then double boil them. See this. See, in 2 minutes whole soap base are melted. See how nice it is. Now just after a little bit of cooling down, I will pour the coconut milk. Then mix them very well so that the coconut milk gets mixed with the soap base. Next I will pour vegetable glycerin. It's available in market or online. If you wish, you can mix it. It's my personal choice. My third ingredient is soap cake making mold. I have washed it properly. Use it as I have used. Now I will fill each and every mold with the mixer. Now I will keep it for 20 minutes normal state. See, after 20 minutes, wow, how nice. Believe me, it has no type of chemical. You can use it both body and face. Wow, see this, how glowing, smooth and soft. It's very soft. Use it every day. You will observe that your skin has become glowing and beautiful just like the soap. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Must try this remedy at your home. Please share your feedback and comment me. Always check my description box. Others link of my social handles are given there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon because never miss out any other video. Always be well. Take care. Bye.